and I'm saying, oh, there be.
Share, no, and
I felt bad. So, oh, the Bonnie Bank wanting us in the pay, oh, Shelly, free tree so, ever pin the Nasia in the personality again. Hey, hey, Bemo.
One a cast 7.
Do be says one a cast,
me Saturday, dear.
Me Pachuani. And I make us no.
Let me see how.
Let me tell you something. You can be hosting a show, but a tome beer and you know many in a wide dream because.
It's a so also my correct.
No, you a crowd one can wait.
There was nothing for you to say. Do you know
what? Okay. So I tell you, there's nothing for you to say.
And that's true. No,
I never
said that.
You are missing the point.
Said the reason why you didn't come in to say Trisai or something is because maybe you understand. And a man correcting into Buaba.
That's why I'm correcting. Mika said the word was too harsh. Come on, withdraw.
It is so better
why our producers scrolling say the Ebeka how you be any opinion. It doesn't reflect.
Oh, so we should insult everybody.
Nobody knows. Briefly. Yes. Okay, me person me ka asem kakra.
Yenko.
Eya na eto de bi ne yebetena ha. Me say bibia ni ho a ye fa ne personal. He used the word. Say ye fa ne personal. Me ba ha na say me kire ma adwini ya Empress. Asa. And just like the producers is cruelly what you made in us, ye kire say nyema ye ka no your opinion. My opinion is not necessarily a fact. You can also make your opinion out of my opinion. Now, Empress, Ola can sing be say, me didi kim Paluta tem. No.
Don't put words in my mouth.
Is that not what the gentleman just said? What say, me
they say your description of him. So, Usha so ebe pin nasi now.
I never said that.
What's your own view?
No,
what
I said Kim Paluta.
No.
Personality. Now, Empress, Miss Soma, mean trim. Just a minute. Empress, yes, to come her. You were memoir. Ye media jume. A lot of the feedback, sir, on mindful no ediba after Kim Paluta interviews Bebre and say he comes across as too arrogant.
That's personality.
Please let me finish. Empress, me, Kim Paluta, I can never stand anywhere and say that the gentleman is not talented and that he's not a genius. I will be a hypocrite. Because if not for anything, he has released songs that I have promoted myself personally. Looking at how he switched from being a rapper to coming to create some of the greatest hits of our time, I can never say that he's not talented. However, Empress, se me kase Kim Paluta laki personality, Empress Micheal, mamin kan brofo wa hakakra. Personality, eye dadia, Empress. Personality refers to the unique and relatively stable patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that distinguish one individual from another. It encompasses a person's characteristic way of interacting with the world and can be understood through various lenses. Empress, se me kase Kim Paluta laki personality, Empress, and yung to ejumana moyeno. It goes hand in hand with personality branding.
Okay.
Empress, sebe, untumi nkojina stage so. Enko didi ni patem na se mekasa wo laki personality a wo se medidi watem what I'm saying I don't know kasa medidi na tabi Kim Paluta den no kan wo pese me nkan me to me nkan because it's too profane.
Okay.
So I can't say verbatim what he says. Empress Micheal obi a wo bonyum bia a wo ye nyum to omo adwuma wo ye musician you build your brand, your personality, you build that brand. The feedback that people give is that Kim Paluta comes across as arrogance. So I said that Kim, your song is taking you places, but when we take away your song, there's nothing we can refer to your personality about, because adria when the person say oh ya homaso wo muade wo say so say na wa ba lamlight no afei na we say we use this opportunity we now dey there a building a good personality that people can relate to. Make we I mean doing that time. And I'm a kind brofono. So if you read verbatim what the English language describes personality to be, it's not an insult. Intimacy say you can have your opinion. I don't have any qualms about that. But do not misconstrue my words to mean say me did you oni panatem. Me pacho.
Ola aklama.
Heidi.
Aklama.
Daddy.
Still.
Daddy, where's the clip? I'm saying that you cannot say Berima, Ocean is so missing in Asia. What is it?
Well, let's stop using that because I never said
no, that description is what
in Asia.
No, that's what you
said.
No,
that's not what I said.
As Antony show when you can
I never said that. Mankasa, please, did I say that? No, that's not what I said. That's not what I said. Ni pursue.
That's your personality.
Come on.
No, personality, who they coach you, my friend saying? Debbie, we need pursue. And they say, how do I even define you? Where?
So you are an artist and you don't have empathy for your fans.
I'm sitting down and I'm asking, okay, so you all have artists you like. Take their music out. Tell me their personality. You all have artists, right? Take their music out. Take their talent out. What's their personality? Look, share. It's okay.
That's a man can be.
And yes, I can be. But I'm saying, say, aya, you're because you say what the or baby at him. It's yeah, can't want him. Which Ubian will be endorsed as a Bema Bejina stage job at him. But
it's what you two said you're kind of
of course. Okay. It's bad, it's terrible. But why say Ubia Fumokum? Now you say from Asia. Then
why are you more?
Then where do we get to have peace or educate people? That's the point. Say you do about them, that's a year and Maya. You say you dimini Bema and members are crying. That's what I'm saying. And no, so now when I beside you, you say
and I'll say boo.
Yes, me say the usage of the word fool as a host. Now, because say we catch and say only draw yes you no retracting. You could have also asked him to do the same for calling King Paluta a fool, but he didn't do that. But do yes you did.
You want to MCI one?
Oh yeah, it's all over.
No, it's all over.
No, because the videos are all over, so you can easily get them. You can even get
where did I use the word no, but sometimes when people misconstrue your words, you are misconstruing. You are misconstruing.
So that when you are talking, you may not pay attention to certain usage.
I said when you take the music away, Wayne doesn't have the personality that he's selling. That's what I said.
One can share the tissue.
Mankasa.
Video now.
Okay. Video look like what I'm sending. Last and it's too much concerning
Yes.
Please.
The host.
Thank you.
Concerning King Paluta. Obviously, the word that you used was so harsh. Like say, Oka say he's a fool. Ekebeya. Anka. Or sign.
Okay. But and now we will hit FM.
Okay.
Because we will Mesa Canibio.
Okay.
Last week, me friend King Paluta fool. I wasn't sure.
Okay.
This week, I am sure he's a fool.
Oh no. Oh.
Mpacho. Ubisa man, ubisa me kasa. Na me man coffee. Nyawo.
Ya bina.
I'm a ye. You funny. I'll come and address Jesus Christ's own. Let me go to the Bible. The Bible at Proverbs 20. I
quoted these verses.
Meaning so much. Jesus Christ, Oba as Nipa. Nipa from simple.
Nipa from.
Or your Nipa into your mistakes. What's the mechanism? It's simple. So the Bible can say, who follow with temper, you'll be labeled as a fool. What did I do wrong? Or what did I say wrong?
And who if you Bible you know the brain.
First and foremost, you find say me na maka sem no. Say me na Jesus be punish. I am Muslim. If I'm going to go to hell for what I said, is it your matter? It is not. So people should just shush about that. It is my matter. Me and Jesus a matter. You patch me back. Two or 3 years ago, I sat here. There was an argument that ensued. Me can be about the president now which will not say Ghana. No.
President.
Yes. Thank you. Young in a court. Yeah, because they're fair witnesses. Why are you convicting? Me, I am responsible for what I say. Me, I'm not a drunk. I don't smoke weed. I'm saying everything I say with clear mind, meaning the Amika. You can have your opinion about what I say. I have my opinion. Because I will not tell you what to say and what not to say. Don't ask me to say what you want me to say. What did Amika say?
This week in the
thank you. 1 week I'll be on apologize here why nyum it means on nim the oye what did me can I say
Okay.
today when I was on the show I spoke about MC Yeboah and I spoke about or describing King Paluta no me say I didn't have an opportunity to correct what
My boss thought I worked all weekend, but I just stopped using ChatGPT like a toy and do this instead.
Let's be real.
Yembo obi Jimmy for one Kolo Abua cry or your spirit Abua crying Jimmy Abua be any Jimmy what did they make us so nipa Jimmy so nipa Jimmy obeka say who Jimmy simple no atene no very very simple mpacho me bo we all saw what Paluta did. Don't let us say any other thing. You can decide to describe it the way you want it. Ola, don't be hypocritical. You sat on your channel and spoke about somebody's marriage. You are in court for that. Did you come and talk about boy no minister no? Perez music. Or Wayu Baba or Unyaba. You look at the things you said about the boy. You come and sit here and say what? Are you in their house? Do you know what ensue or is ensuing their marriage? Do you know what it is? You are in court for that. Oba betra ba ka say then na okay can that's shush only bibia kan ye din because when you speak kasa ho adwuma ne ye definitely ye be kan bibi enko yi said the me kan anko yi ama wa no problem me say the me kan no eko yi King Paluta has a right to go to court it's simple me bunu mpacho
say eye mpacho me pacho won say ahaye despite media ahaye UTV United Showbiz it is say we can be na say ekwa say we can say fool ye can ye beka say United Showbiz mpacho me dia make no atiase e na King Paluta no dia oye ye no kan na ka wo hwe say obeba be apologize e na from Saturday ye de betena Saturday no apologize so you called him a fool and you are still saying you say the thing is going too much. You are still saying, still he's a fool. I beg you in the name of God.
Jesus dear Kramantrias. I will catch him the Paluta dear sana. Okay, Kasa. Me too. Send
actions and any utterances now what can
but what am I saying?
That's exactly
what am I saying? What are you serious? How is it Pacho me ba? Me? Personally.
Say any actions.
Nakading.
Okay.
Kill and think I don't understand what you are saying. What are we talking about? When you brought the subject for us to discuss, what were you discussing? Did you tell me that how do I see King Paluta?
Dabi.
Good.
It's about his show, no coin.
Yes, you spoke about his actions. A fool can mean different things depending on the context. Literally, a person who lacks good sense, judgment, or wisdom. Someone who acts recklessly or ignorantly. When we spoke about King Paluta, I mean, I don't have any problem. Okay, my bone grow 4-5. You know, so. My bon 4. My bon crop for 4. Me and Kasama bon crop for 4. Me spend 4 around.
Okay.
Why is it? Okay. And I mean to me bonipa, my bonipa. And I don't see anything wrong with his personality. Say not see any too. I don't. Earlier, I think say so. Like I said, I spoke about his talent. No. Because I will be the last person to do that. I understand talent too much. But if you fool, we'll call you a fool. If you don't want to be called a fool, don't behave foolishly. It's simple.
Timpacho or apologize. They are coming to you.
Me da kaso efu.
Because now ni team fire ready so I'm about to.
How many weeks?
Ntimo de mama
Because
mpacho me say kra de mama hit ni ola onye okay Paluta de so.
If I can see video na ready mo yen hwe. Just say yen chi ampon wie you.
Bu na ni chi. Enu na ema wo di atem. Sebio odi oba ne maame aya sidi na tem. Ekache oba ne se ne wig nti. Ekache nkofo ma twa ahia ho se me fans nti na wo ba King Paluta enye wo fans nti na wo ko UK. Enye wo eka wo fans a ma ye organize show wo taka ne ko bo free show. Ema wo fans. You went there because you have a talent and that talent is supposed to put food on your table. And guess what? If you do not go to play that show, you will not get paid and you will not get money. So you are not doing anybody a favor. You are working. It is your job. And you see, wubenya di asha ubotum. Edi bi asha wumpanano. Edi bi asha wumami. Edi wabusunya. Edi bi abo brahma ohu enti na uko UK. You were not there because of your fans. Empress, me interview woman na or ye show no. Oni masemti ya that show no mo ye no. Almost a show no is organized to raise funds for children who are less privileged, for women who have suffered abusive relationships.
Show no.
That is the theme of the show. The all-white boat party in Koso London, a group no organized here from Diamond Ladies or something. A ma, one woman come with tia boom no ma pesca no dia betia wu kimpalutaka. Sebra never perform me. Na yen to me raise sika. Na say sika no yen fan ko hwe nyanka. Say sika no yen fan ko hwe e ma. Woman call abusive relationship. And guess what? Abusive relationship nko a enye say ya buo. Sebe kasa cry ye ne wo kasa no can be abusive. Now wo kimpaluta. Uko jina stage so awoso wo baby adobrew. Enunti no. Bubu afu. E de sebe wo ba ne maame ayase e de natem. Ewie ache ne now. Let me calm down. When wie esade ni looks said dinatem at an event that was organized for women and children. Na besine doing Kimpaluta and to fa any apology Emma Bonting Embe chire munsre Ghana for say me fans say me someone da besine. There is no excuse for dear Kimpaluta ye. You were the third contender in the Artist of the Year running this year. Look at how Portfolio used the legend like that number to compare you, Kimpaluta.
Mami so was some.
Yeah, she said your MC Portfolio, a position who Kimpaluta in the race of running for the Artist of the Year in this country. Look at how our Portfolio, a resi Edi ube jina baby ana ade na ye hu a wutumi remu in contending for Artist of the Year. When people are saying that even when you push 2025 your name can even still pop up there, and you go and stand on a stage and you display this attitude of foolery on stage, and we sit here and say he was angry and so he should get away with that. We sit here and we make an excuse to say Nandi Buefu. Do you know that she Blacko recently, who they work with Chelsea Samini recently Blacko Echo Page Echo Takrade is it Takrade show you or Kobo stage here now man 42 see only bottles born Blacko is 23. I stand to be correct. 23-year-old boy. Look at how he managed the situation. Look at how he managed the situation. Now Kimpaluta what underground artists for 15 years. This is not the days when I will buy Kama Sutra to be happy to be hanu. And now what limelight mo? Kimpaluta to me ko jina stage e ko catch wa ba se you wunni ni baby.
Ayo no ano kan ho.
Empress, but video no hwe. How do you Kimpaluta do this? By this time Anka emme wo UK class say e be to me do baby cry fresh show organizers cry for show because e man be kasa wo ba de omo nya den omo nto ticket ntia organizers cry em for show enya one na sebio o ma wano aduane abo enya obi na eyo one na sebe wano aduane a wo bedi no ama sebio nkofo e bi o mani down no omo so menya bi edi no one na woman abo. And it pains me that by this time, Senya Kimpaluta, wabe releasing you must say wabe odi fambe share. Empress, mami kase Micheal. And you to a jumana mo yeno. Empress, let me use you as an example. You won't know to any fewer. There are other things about you that people relate to. Like you do certain podcasts and you do videos, you do some TikTok. You have a personality. Apart from the Kimpaluta, you if you only share.
Oh yes.
Kimpaluta doesn't have any personality he's selling.
What's wrong?
No. I'm saying that he doesn't have a personality. Personality. Listen, on top of your mind, Kimpaluta, people love him because of his music. Of course. Take the music away. What is there? What? So can you point out to me? No, can you point out to me where I said listen, Kimpaluta, I'm coming him to say. I can rap Kimpaluta song from head to toe. Me running on crossing. So listen, don't sit here and make it look like I'm not personalizing it. Don't sit here and make it look like I hate a gentleman. Empress, personality. I'm saying this and I won't speak again. Personality now, me kind is related to his branding. Me power chow. Mr. Example now me Mayan, it was not in a vacuum. It was in a context. So do not sit here and tell me say no, I'm saying say it here. I mean he shouldn't be here and say that me sick in Paluta osheli tibesine nasia. I never said that. And guess what? I will not say that. Because Empress, if not for anything, I understand what it means to be underground for that time and come to the line. And Paluta, like I acknowledge in my video, that he has a talent. And that talent is supposed to put food on his table. So please, do not misconstrue my words.
Empress.
Yes.
Yes, I'm in court with what's his name? Not relaxed. Not because I insulted him.
I know
because
that.
You discussed.
But because
I didn't say you insulted
but
him.
because we discussed something, a court ruling. He had the brain, and he feels that we didn't do right. No, a ruling, not proceeding. So there's no content. And he feels that and some night can defaming. There was not a single line of insult. Okay. Yeah, no nonchalant. No, just to correct that part. Yeah, no nonchalant. What is she talking about? She said.
Hey, and they will let you accept it.
No. Listen.
Listen. Video no. I didn't know Kasa say.
Listen.
When you near video no. I didn't. When all my time was
Make maximum making you say. Adwuma yi na ya trema.
Oh, boo.
Yeah, discussing idea.
Nana.
A different from say idiatem. Yenye clear with these two. You bet me a discuss so idea why. Meet me a describe idea we as sabi idea now here no nyansen. But meet me kaso ni nyansen. The two
it's nyansen nim and
unim nyansen. Enye the same. What is he saying? Pachuti. F00L mami.
Pacho. Mani kase.
Pacho or Miss Cotine.
They be on
Relax.
Boo me Pacho. Olane kasa. Mama ne kwano.
I'm not kasa no atwa video.
Pacho ofane me. Oh yeah.
I'm not kasa no atwa video.
And so see them say make us say o the press facture we need them am find example. And so see them say make us Empress nimu nyansa. And they say Empress ade a we nyansa ni nimi enu nyepe.
Nimu nyansa na nyansa ni mo no.
No, ti ade a we nyansa ni.
Nyansa ni.
Na nimu nyansa. Nimi enu so see them.
Twi madam wa meso.
It make us say aya ye nya abutre kakra. Pachuati asema make nyan aya ye nya
abutre. Me that's B.
Pacho yes sir. Oh yes sir. Oh there be Pacho can be
one bomb
me case of me mami straighten bibi Pacho bi obi anti me. Last week ubabe ye babe kan King Paluta asem no. One born in music video. Say on the latest song ni. One can say oh why new haircut bi ana why dressing bi ana okoye interview bi one can say mo who can say wakwakoye obi. We spoke in context. So what is he saying? I agree.
What happened?
Good. I agree totally with what you are saying. We call I called him a fool based on what he did. Simple.
Not because he's always been.
No. Your year ain't na me friend edina me the friend no. And you say me hu na me say we Jimmy and I say ni nyuma to Jimmy. That be your year na me see. Your year ni Jimmy.
Action.
Good.
Okay, so
he's a fool. Yes. What is he saying?
Interesting.
Danger.